Welcome, dear learners, to an exciting exploration of the power of your voice in the world of public speaking. Today, we embark on a journey to uncover the secrets of effective vocal delivery that will elevate your speeches to new heights. Imagine yourself on stage, your voice resonating with clarity and conviction, capturing the attention of your audience with every word spoken. With the right vocal techniques, you have the power to inspire, persuade, and move hearts. In our quest for vocal mastery, we'll delve into the nuances of pitch, tone, volume, pace, and articulation, discovering how each element contributes to the richness and expressiveness of your voice. But first, let us journey into the world of Alex, a speaker determined to make a lasting impact on their audience. As Alex steps onto the stage, their voice steady but lacking in dynamism, they realize the importance of mastering vocal variety. With each sentence, Alex adjusts their pitch, infusing their words with passion and urgency. Their voice rises and falls like the tide, drawing the audience into the gravity of their message on climate change. Through the guidance of Professor Thompson and the exploration of vocal techniques, Alex transforms their speech into a captivating performance that leaves a lasting impression on their audience. And so, dear learners, let us embark on this journey together, armed with curiosity, determination, and a desire to unlock the full potential of our voices. With each lesson learned and skill honed, we move closer to becoming masterful speakers who command attention and inspire change.